Welcome to the Daily Devo. My name is Julian, and today we're talking about walking with the wise. I remember growing up and hearing my parents tell me all the time, Julian, you are who you hang with. And most of my childhood, I ignored it. Well, it turns out they were right. Go with me to Proverbs 13:20. Walk with the wise and become wise. Associate with fools and get in trouble. It wasn't until later in my life I actually caught on to how true this really is. When I became a youth pastor, I saw good kids hang with the wrong people and completely change who they are. They started making decisions that affected them for the rest of their lives. I thought through my life and all the decisions I made, good and bad. Most bad decisions were because of who I was surrounding myself with, and most good was because of who I was hanging with. The fact of the matter is, we as people are easily influenced. I'm reminded of a story in the Bible when Moses told Jethro about everything God had done for the Israelites, how God had stopped the Egyptians and their king, and how God provided for his people and kept them safe. Jethro celebrated with Moses. And the next day, Moses sat down and listened to the people who had problems, and he would tell them what to do. The people stood around all day waiting for their turn to talk to Moses. And Jethro looked at Moses and said, "Why are you the only one listening to the people?" Moses said, "The people want answers. I listen to their problems and I tell them what God's laws are." And Jethro said, "This job is too big for one person." Then Jethro gave Moses some advice. You can be the person who speaks to God for the Israelites, but choose good men from all the people to be leaders too. This way you won't get worn out from doing everything yourself. And people will be happy because they don't have to stand around all day in line and wait for you to answer their questions. Jethro was someone who spoke into Moses' life, and his advice may have saved his sanity. These are the types of people I want to surround myself with. Those who know the truth, who lead me down a path of righteousness, who will encourage me to be the best version of myself. I would encourage you to do an inventory of who you're hanging with. Do they make you better, or do they pull you down? My prayer is that you would surround yourself with people who are wiser than you. This creates an opportunity for you to learn how to grow in your faith and your life. So go and find people who are wiser than you and begin to glean from them as much as you can.